So before we start the installation part of this video, just want to say thank you Ecotric for the 18th month warranty and honoring that, and thanks for the Amazon seller that communicated with me and got the part out to me pretty quick, within a week. And guys, you really can't beat a warranty, man, like that. No issues, no problems. They worked with me, diagnosed the problem, and worked out great. And what the problem actually was the cord that runs into the throttle piece here had actually gone bad at the connector piece, which is all the way down in here. So it did require a new unit altogether, and did that. And here's the video, guys. So you think about an e-bike, might want to check out Ecotric, man. Good customer service, solid warranty, and easy to deal with. Thanks, guys. So the next thing we're going to do is come in here, and we're going to move my gear selector here so that it just sits up more like this. Same thing with my brake handle here, so I can get to that tiny screw and an Allen head back here. So that you better understand what I'm talking about, you see the little Allen head screw there? That's what I need to move everything up so I can get into. And this is just a Phillips head screw. And we are using a bike tool. Now we're to just my brake here, my brake handle. Again, another Allen head, so we'll find the right one. There we go. Hopefully I got one tiny enough. So if we follow this wire to the old controller, it gets wrapped up in these. So we got to get all this wrapping off, and we'll have to replace that with some electrical tape. So you can see here at this point, you know, we've got the cable wire unraveled and tracing back. So I'll have to cut the zip ties there all the way down and unravel it and figure out which way it is that plugs in here. Ohio, raining while the sun is shining just as bright. One of the advantages of recording this, you can always go back and relook at it in case you make any mistakes. So we got it here and here, which is the bracket, just to try to keep everything nice and straight and inside the box. We're going to loosen that up and pull our cable through. So this is the connector piece, and we got to be delicate with this. and get it to release. That was a pretty simple release. So we're going to take the new one, we're going to feed her back down through here and back into here, get her connected, and start rerunning the wire back up to where it was. We're using electrical tape, tape everything up, and zip ties. Now on this specific model, these clip right in. You hear it clip. There was one of these and one other that didn't go to anything, so we're going to wrap these up anyway. A little piece of electrical tape. So to save you some boring and installing everything. So if you guys just reverse everything that you need to do, or rewatch this video a few times, all I did was skip ahead and put this back up through here once everything's connected, and I'll show you that it does work. There we go, folks. Hope you guys enjoyed, and all I got left to do now is rewrap my wiring, which you can see here. Once I wrap that up in electrical tape and zip tie it onto the frame, and because it does have frame mounts for that, we're good to go.